In this video, I am going to describe how to work on the Plant Parts tab in the Design a Garden project. Read the guiding questions on the top. Research about plant parts. You will divide the work with the other team members. Depending how many team members are part of this project, each team member will work on at least one text box or more. If you are the only participant in the project, you have to do them all. Use the text boxes below to write about each plant part. Replace their existing text with your information. Use the annotation tool to provide information about the stem and flower images. See the video below for instructions. Open the tab's instructions box to learn how to use text, media, questions, and annotations. Thanks, and I hope that this was helpful.